Thank you, Amit. Welcome back, viewers. You are watching the MRF MMSC FMSCI Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020, the final day of round 1. We are currently witnessing the Pro Stock 301 to 400cc Race 3. Race 3, as you see on your screen, we would have a formation lap for this race. It's a 30 bike grid, close to full grid here. Quickly going through the grid order from row 2. Row 2 is started by Karthik Mateti of Gusto Racing and followed by Amarnath Menon, and finishing the row is Rajani Krishnan from RACR Castrol Power. Row 3 started by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing, PM Surya of Rolex Rockers Racing, and finishing it is Jagdish N there. And on the 4th row, it's Deepak Ravi Kumar of TVS Racing and Pradeep C of Race Concepts, Mekha Viduraj from Hypersonic Motorsports. On 5th row, it's Vivek M, followed by Yashas RL of Trackworks and Bharat Bala finishing the row there. On 6th row, it's Naresh from Rulers Rockers Racing, Aditya Rao and Faraz Sharif from Trackworks, and next in line is Abin Thomas from Hypersonic Motorsports, Rishabh Sanjeev Shah from Trackworks, Mohammad Shafin on P21. In the next row, it's Idum Mohan on P22, Abhimanyu Gautam on P23, and Manikantan on P24. The final row is by Aman Avinash Kulkarni, followed by Midhu Gopal and Kalpesh Thakur of Hypersonic. One more row to go. The last row is by Vijesh Kumar, Sunny Mohan Krishnan, and Udipta Kumar Rath. The manufacturers in this category are TVS Racing, KTM, and Yamaha. The teams participating in this category are TVS Racing, Race Concepts, Speed Up Racing, Gusto Racing, RACR Castrol Power Racing, Rolex Rockers Racing, Hypersonic Motorsports, and Trackworks. The riders now warming up for the formation lap. The 30-second board is out on the starter's box. He would now wave a green flag at the starter's box to indicate the start of the formation lap. And yes, it's the start of the formation lap. The formation lap has just started. The riders are on their formation lap as they move on to turn 2. For all the viewers, just a quick update. This is the race 3. This is the race 3 of this particular category. The grid order is based on the second best timing they have done during the qualifying session. This is a 6-lap race covering 22.3 kilometers. Oh, we have a rider who's dropped out in the formation lap. The bike looks that of Rolex Rockers Racing. Just need to wait for officials to see if there would be a delay start due to the bike there. The race control officials at race control would take a call based on the safety requirement and the safety situation. It's a bright and sunny morning here at Madras Motor Racetrack, Irungattakotte. On your bikes, on your screen, the bike's moving from the back straight towards the fast right-hander. Welcome all viewers. This is a quick reminder for people who joined us late. This is the second race of the day and you're watching MRF MMSC FMSCI Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020 round 1 held at Madras Motor Race Track. We are now at the Pro Stock 301 to 400cc category, race 3. Race 3 of the category. While the riders now come and line up at the grid, at their respective grid positions. That's the start marshal holding a red flag for indicating riders to come and stop at their respective grid places. While the riders come and line up at the grid, a quick update. You could see some construction happening at the background. That's the new grandstand coming up there. Viewers, so the next year, hopefully with all the situation back to normal, we should be having a packed crowd at that grandstand. Looks awesome right now. Can't wait to see it completed. Back to race. The riders have come in waiting for the pole position rider. We don't get to see the pole position rider coming in there. That's Jagan of TVS Racing is missing, but we have seen the medical car come in. The flag marshal is indicated a go green, so we're going to start without the pole setter Jagan there. The race is going to begin any moment now. Lights on, race on. Oh, a rider has stopped in, couldn't take a start, a delayed start there, but the rider sure. As we move on to turn 1, it's Karthik Mateti of Gusto Racing leading. Karthik started from 4th place and has taken a good advantage of his position and has moved in fast. It's bike number 93 which has not taken a start. Bike number 93 has not able to take a start. That is Abin Thomas from Sonic Motorsports. And as we move on to turn 2, the race leader is Karthik Mateti, closely fought by bike number 44, Anish Damodar Shetty. And on 3rd place is difficult to find with so many bikes. Okay, as we move on closer, we'll be updating. Currently, the race is led by Karthik Mateti of Gusto Racing, followed by bike number 44, Anish Shetty from Race Concepts. The leaders moving away from the bunch. It's Anish and Karthik Mateti fighting for the top place as they move on towards turn 8, the big sweep as we know. The 3rd place rider closing into Anish. A closer look has to find the rider. It looks like a TVS rider. Yeah, it's TVS Racing rider catching up with the top bunch there. As I see on the screen, it's Karthik Mateti leading, followed by Anish Shetty, and on bike number 25, it's Deepak Ravikumar from TVS Racing on 3rd place. A close fight happening as the riders come onto the fast right-hander from the back straight and moving towards the fast left-hander and entering into the final sector of the circuit. It's Karthik Mateti leading, followed by Anish Damodar Shetty of Race Concept. On 3rd place is Deepak Ravikumar of TVS Racing, and on 4th place it's bike number 33, Keva Ahmed from TVS Racing. All 4 riders fighting closely and coming down the bridge, and Anish having a quick look at his rear for the following riders. As they come to the end of lap 1, it's a close fight with Karthik Mateti leading, followed by Anish Shetty, and on 3rd place is Deepak Ravikumar, and 4th place is Keva Ahmed. Anish trying to make a move on the home straight with the slipstream. No holds on to his position. Deepak Ravikumar makes an outside move on Anish and is side by side. Will he make a move by turn 2? No. It's Keva Ahmed now trying to make a move on Deepak and has moved to 3rd place. The race leaders currently, as we move on to turn 3, is Karthik Mateti of Gusto Racing, followed by, we see a movement change here. It's Keva Ahmed on 2nd place, and on 3rd place is Anish Shetty, followed by Deepak Ravikumar on 4th place of TVS Racing. 4 riders bunched together now as they are in the 2nd lap of the race. It's a 6th lap race. Karthik trying to move away from the bunch, but sure cannot hold on to long. The bunch is poised together there. It's Anish Damodar. It's Keva Ahmed there on 2nd place trying to make a move on Karthik. Karthik is faster there. And on 3rd place is Anish Shetty, and on 4th place is Deepak Ravikumar from TVS Racing. Karthik Mateti holding on to his first position there, while on 2nd place it's Keva Ahmed from TVS Racing, and on 3rd place it's Anish Shetty, and On 4th place is Deepak Ravikumar, and closely followed on 5th place is rider number 67 Rajni Krishnan from Castrol RACI Castrol Power Team. Rajni, multiple time national champion and international rider, will he be able to catch up with the front punch and fight for the podium there? Wait to see. We are coming close to the end of second lap as the riders are moved on to the final sector. It's Kartik Mateti leading, followed by Keva Ahmed, and on 3rd place is Anish Shetty. On 4th place it's Deepak Ravikumar of TVS Racing on 4th place. In 5th place is Vishak Shoban, and on 5th place is Rajni Krishnan on your screen there. Bike number 67 slipstreaming Vishak Shoban and trying to make a move, and Anish Damodar Shetty trying to make a move on Keva Ahmed, and yes, he is successful. Now Anish is on P2, Keva Ahmed on P3. Rajni has moved on to P4 and has made trying to make a move on the front bunch. No, Rajni now sticks on to 4th place. Rajni has joined the party of the front bunchers now. Riders, Rajni Krishnan started from P6. There, as we come on to the kink, it's Anish Damodar Shetty leading. Anish has moved on. Where is Kartik Mateti? Kartik Mateti has moved back. I'm not sure what happened between turn 2 and turn 3. Kartik Mateti is now on 5th place. The race is now led by Anish Shetty of Race Concept, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing. Anish trying to move away from the bunch. Keva Ahmed, bike number 33 from TVS Racing, right on his tail there. Anish is riding a KTM RC390 for Team Race Concepts. On right behind him is Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing, and on 3rd place it's Deepak Ravikumar on 3rd place, and 4th place is held by Kartik Mateti. Kartik, who was leading the first 2 laps, has now moved on to 4th place. The race is now led by Anish Shetty of Race Concept, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing, and on 3rd place it's Deepak Ravikumar of TVS Racing as well. On your screen, it's Anish Damodar Shetty from Race Concept, followed by Keva Ahmed as they take the left-hander towards the bridge complex, a right hand, and they will be starting the bridge, climbing up the bridge. And on 3rd place is Deepak Ravikumar. End of 3rd lap, it's Anish leading the race, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing. The riders now coming to the end of 3rd lap. It's Anish leading, followed by Keva Ahmed, and on 3rd place is Deepak Ravikumar. On 4th place is Kartik Mateti from Gusto Racing, and Vishak Shoban on bike number 39 on 5th place. As we move on to turn 2, it's Anish Damodar Shetty leading, followed by Keva Ahmed, and at quite a distance is Deepak Ravikumar of TVS Racing. The riders now moving up towards turn 4, starting off sector 2. There's a close fight for the 5th and the 6th position. I'm not sure, but I have a feeling it must be Jagdish there. Just a gut feel. Not able to see the competition number. Bike number 70 entering into the pits. That's Udipta Kumar Rath. Coming back to the race leaders, it's Anish leading the race comfortably, followed by Keva Ahmed, and on 3rd place is Deepak Ravikumar. The riders are separated close to half a second to a second, and on 4th place it's 39. Competition number 39 is Jagdish. I was right on the looks. It was Jagdish. Jagdish has done a tremendous job. He has moved from 9th place on to 4th place there. We did see Rajni there fighting for the 4th and the 5th place in lap 3, but I'm unable to see where he is. Has he dropped out? Yeah, he is 1 lap down. Not sure if he's still on the track. Coming back to the race leader, finishing the 4th lap, entering into the penultimate lap is Anish Damodar Shetty representing Race Concepts as he moves the start-finish line, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing, and on 3rd place is Deepak Ravikumar, and on 4th place is Kartik Mateti of Gusto Racing, and on 5th place is Jagdish N from Bangalore Privateer, and on 6th place it's Vishak Shoban, and on 7th place it's Amarnath Menon. That's race leader Anish on your screen from Race Concepts, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing. On third place is comfortably poised is Deepak Ravi Kumar of TVS Racing. On fourth place is Kartik Mateti. On fifth place is Jagdish N of Bangalore. No, Jagdish has moved on to fifth place. Sorry, right. He's on fifth place. On your screen is Kartik Mateti leading the bunch, followed by Jagdish N, and right behind him is Vishak Shoban. We are on penultimate lap of this race. Jagdish has made an inner move. Jagdish and Vishak Shoban have done a move and have crossed Kartik Mateti. It's Jagdish now on fourth place. Kartik was passed by both the riders. Kartik at one point of time for the first two laps was leading the race comfortably. Now it's Anish Damodar Shetty on your screen leading the race from Race Concepts, followed by Keva Ahmed as the riders enter the last sector. It's Deepak Ravi Kumar on third place, and on fourth place is Jagdish N, and on fifth place is Kartik Mateti, and on sixth place is Vishak Shoban there. The riders now coming on to the final lap. Riders getting down the bridge corner. It's Anish Damodar Shetty taking the last corner and entering the start-finish line to start the final lap of the race. Leading the race there is Anish, followed by Keva Ahmed, and on third place is Deepak, and on fourth place is Jagdish N. Jagdish has done a tremendous job starting from ninth place and has moved on to fourth place. On fifth place is Kartik Mateti of Gusto Racing, and on fifth place is Vishak Shoban. Vishak of Speed Up Racing started from the first row. There's Anish Damodar Shetty taking a lead of 2 seconds from Keva Ahmed, and Keva Ahmed has a 3 seconds lead from his teammate Deepak Ravi Kumar. Well, Jagdish closing on Deepak in this last lap. Looks difficult as he is 2 seconds behind. Kartik Mateti trying to make an inside move on Jagdish and has been successful in moving at turn 4. Jagdish and Kartik fighting for the fourth place there. Kartik still holding on to his position at P4 of Gusto Racing, followed by Jagdish and Vishak Shoban. The bunch you're seeing on your screen is fighting for the 5th, 6th and 7th place. Sorry, 4th, 5th and 6th place. Kartik Mateti on 4th, Jagdish on 5th and Vishak Shoban on 6th. And that's Deepak Ravi Kumar there on 3rd position. Jagdish and Kartik moving away from the bunch. That's Keva Ahmed on your screen. That's Anish entering the final sector of the final lap of this race. He's comfortably leading by 2 seconds there, followed by Keva Ahmed, who has a 3 seconds lead from his teammate Deepak Ravi Kumar. Kartik Mateti has done a move on Jagdish and is now on 4th place. Kartik has moved to 4th place. That's the final corner taken by Anish. Anish would be taking the checkered flag comfortably now as he comes on to the last corner. It's Anish taking the victory. Anish, consecutive second victory for Anish, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing, and on 3rd place is Deepak Ravi Kumar, and 4th place is taken by Kartik Mateti of Gusto Racing. A good fight in the last lap between Jagdish, Kartik and Vishak Shoban. A very well fought race for all riders, a clean race there, and another wonderful race for us too. And another wonderful race there comes to an end. Viewers, you were watching the Pro Stock 301 to 400cc Race 3. The race leaders were Anish, who won the race, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing, and on 3rd place was Deepak Ravi Kumar, also of TVS Racing. This is a back-to-back race win for Anish of Race Concepts. Riders stand by for the interviews by the winners at the pit lane. While I transfer my mic to the pit lane, a quick update of the upcoming races for the weekend. The next race would be Idemitsu Honda India Talent Cup 2020 novice category, the CBR 150 race for the novice riders from Honda as part of Idemitsu Honda India Talent Cup 2020 organized by MMSC. That's KY Ahmed giving a lift to a fellow rider. By the leather, looks like it's Rajini Krishnan on KY Ahmed's bike. Very unfortunate for bike number 67. Could not finish race 1 and race 3 as well. 22 riders finished the race there. The next race is Idemitsu Honda India Talent Cup novice category. While we await for the riders to come to the pit lane, that's KY Ahmed on your screen. Finished second in this race, giving a lift to a fellow rider. Viewers, stand by for the interviews of the race winners at the pit lane shortly. My colleague Palani would be talking to the race winners there. Over to my colleague Palani as the riders come into the pit lane. Well fought. Congratulations to all winners. Over to you, Palani.
The race was pretty good. We had to figure out a lot of issues with the bike, and we had to compensate a lot of things in the performance as well so that we finished the race. But overall, I got a really good package of machine, so I could utilize it completely. And I thank my team, Race Concepts, Motorsports, and all my sponsors, being Motopoto, Powertronics, Three-Way, and Adidas, for all your support. It's good to be here on the podium. Thank you.
Race was pretty good. First 2-3 laps. Then Anish passed me. Then I tried to following him, but I cannot push too much because tire was slow, so much sliding. So I managed to finish the second position. Anyway, happy with this podium, and I would like to thanks to my team and my crew members. Happy with the second. Thank you.
Thank you. We had a good start, but later not able to ride because of my leg injury. Not able to push really hard, and my teammate and Anish was really fast. Not able to cope up with him. Bike was really good, but I'm not able to ride. Maybe next race will be good for me. Thank you.